Question 6. Elements A and B have the same crystal structure. For a dilute solution of B in A, which one of the following is true? Where delta H mix is the mixing enthalpy, AB is the activity of B, and XB is the mole fraction of B. Okay. First option is if delta H mix equal to 0, then AB smaller than XB. If delta H mix equal to 0, then AB greater than XB. If delta H mix greater than 0, then AB smaller than XB. If delta H mix is smaller than 0, then AB smaller than XB. So this question is related to Raoults law. So in the case of Raoults law, we know this is the activity and this is the mole fraction. So here it is dilute solution of B in A. So let us take B, and when we draw a line which is just the diagonal, then this is for the ideal case, right? So this is for the ideal solution. So when we have an ideal solution, that means delta H mix will be equal to 0. So when this delta H mix equal to 0, then this activity will be equal to directly this mole fraction, right? Whatever be the mole fraction, that will be the activity of that. So if you see these two options, here it is 0, but here it is given AB smaller than XB, AB greater than XB. So these two are incorrect, right? So we are left with option C and option D. If delta H mix greater than 0, then AB smaller than XB. Now see, when it wants to say delta H mix greater than 0, that means it is positive deviation, right? Positive deviation from the Raoults law. And delta H mix, it is to be noted as negative deviation. Okay. So these are non-ideal solution. Okay. So if you see the graph, for a positive deviation, it will go somewhat like this, right? And for a negative deviation, it will go somewhat like this. So and the prevailing equation which decide this is this one. So this you will find in the Gaskell book. Page number 269. Page number 269 and 270. So this is the equation which tells you about this delta H mix. Okay. So for the ideal case, this delta H, this gamma I is equal to 1, right? So this whole terms become 0. And for the positive deviation, that means your activity, when you do the equation with gamma into x, right? So since it is positively deviated, that means this gamma is your greater than 1, right? So when this gamma is greater than 1, so this value, complete value, will be positive, right? So when it will be positive, then this A will be greater than x in the case of positive. So what is written here? Delta H mix greater than 0, but this AB is smaller than XB. So this option is also incorrect. So likewise, so option D we are left with. So let us check also. When delta H mix is smaller than 0, that means your gamma I will be smaller than 1, right? So that's why this complete term will be negative. Now this activity will be equal to this gamma times xp. Since gamma is less than 1, so this activity will also be less than xp. Okay. So option D is the correct answer. Okay.